This video will demonstrate the simple steps on how to deline the spray head and water faucet. Disconnect power from the brewer and allow faucet to cool to touch. Could take several hours. Remove and thoroughly clean the entire brew funnel. Remove and thoroughly rinse the spray head. The holes must be open and clear of any mineral deposits. Insert the short end of the spray head cleaning tool into each of the water outlets of the spray head to remove any mineral deposits. Insert the deliming spring tool into the spray head fitting. Rotate several times in pulling back and forth to remove any mineral deposits from the fitting. Wipe the spray head panel clean with a damp cloth. Reinstall the spray head to the spray head fitting. You must disconnect the water source for this procedure. Run water out of faucet until flow stops. Remove the faucet aerator and safety clip. Remove handle and bonnet nut assembly from faucet. The nut is only hand tight but may need the use of a hand tool first time. Exercise caution, as any residual water may be hot. Remove the old faucet seat cup from the faucet handle stem. Install new seat cup and ensure proper fit. Replace the faucet components and rotate bonnet nut clockwise hand tight. Replace the faucet safety clip and aerator. Wipe down brewer with a damp cloth. Restore power to the brewer. Run water through the faucet until no signs of dislodged mineral deposits are visible. Check for leaks around the faucet. If you experience a low flow of water out of the faucet after performing maintenance, will require a qualified service technician to remove mineral deposit buildup from tank outlet fitting and a path to faucet assembly. Further investigation beyond the faucet will require a qualified service technician.